Hello, friend, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where we make every corner of your home feel like a warm hug. Today, we're stepping into a full summer farmhouse transformation, room by room, layer by layer. We'll talk linen, neutrals, texture, and that effortless lived-in charm farmhouse style is loved for. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. Give this video a like if you're already dreaming of breezy curtains, and drop a comment telling me which room you're most excited to redo. Let's start right at the front door. A summer farmhouse exterior should feel like an invitation. Think crisp white or soft grayish siding, black framed windows, and a wraparound porch dressed simply. Add a gable roof accent and exposed wood beams for that classic silhouette. Keep landscaping relaxed with lavender, hydrangeas, and potted boxwoods lining the walkway. A board and batten front door painted in a muted sage or charcoal adds character without shouting. Lantern-style sconces flanking the entrance bring warmth at dusk. The goal is approachable elegance. Nothing fussy, just honest materials and natural textures that say come on in before guests even knock. Your entryway sets the tone, so keep it functional and pretty. A reclaimed wood bench doubles as seating and storage, perfect for swapping shoes. Above it, mount sturdy iron hooks for coats, hats, and bags, paired with a small shoe cabinet tucked discreetly to one side. Lean a generously sized round or arched mirror against the wall to bounce light and visually expand the space. Layer a jute or woven cotton mat underfoot for texture. Finish with a small vase of dried wheat stems or eucalyptus, a woven basket for mail, and a ceramic dish for keys. Simple, grounded, and welcoming. For summer, your living room should feel airy yet cozy. Swap heavy drapery for sheer linen curtains that let light filter through gently. Choose a slip-covered sofa in oatmeal or bone white, then layer in textured throw pillows mixing stripes, gingham, and chunky knits. A reclaimed wood coffee table grounds the space, while a jute rug adds organic texture underfoot. Bring in greenery with olive branches or eucalyptus in stoneware vases. Keep wall art minimal. Botanical prints or vintage landscapes work beautifully. The secret is layering neutral tones with varied textures, so the room feels rich without ever looking cluttered. Your dining room is where farmhouse warmth truly shines. Start with a solid wood farm table, scratches, and character welcome. Pair it with a mix of woven rattan chairs and a wooden bench for relaxed, collected over time appeal. For table decor, layer a linen runner down the center, add a low arrangement of seasonal wildflowers in a stoneware pitcher, and scatter mismatched ceramic candle holders. Stack vintage plates with simple white dinnerware for texture. A statement pendant light overhead, think rattan or wood, ties the look together. Keep everything tactile and unfussy. This is a table meant for lingering conversations. A farmhouse kitchen balances charm with everyday usability. Choose shaker-style cabinets in white or sage green, paired with brass or matte black hardware for contrast. A panel-ready or stainless refrigerator keeps things streamlined without disrupting the aesthetic. For your stove, an enamel range in cream or black becomes a focal point. Tuck a small espresso or coffee machine on an open shelf styled with ceramic mugs and a wooden tray. Open shelving displaying stoneware and woven baskets adds warmth. Finish with a butcher block island, woven pendant lighting, and a vintage-inspired faucet to complete that storybook farmhouse kitchen feeling. Beyond the big furniture choices, it's the small accessories that make a farmhouse kitchen sing. Display a wooden cutting board leaning against the backsplash, fill glass jars with pantry staples for an organized, rustic look, and keep a bundle of fresh herbs in a mason jar by the window. Choose linen tea towels in neutral stripes, hung casually over the oven handle. A vintage-style scale or ceramic fruit bowl on the counter adds personality. Remember, farmhouse kitchens thrive on a mix of function and nostalgia. Every item should feel useful, yet beautifully imperfect and full of character. This is the heart of relaxed family living. Anchor the room with a deep, comfortable sectional in a soft linen blend, perfect for summer lounging. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console, then balance the modern element with woven baskets, stacked books, and a vintage clock nearby. Layer a chunky knit throw over the armrest and add floor cushions for casual extra seating. A wood-bladed ceiling fan keeps things breezy. Soft, warm-toned lighting from table lamps with linen shades creates ambience in the evening. This space should feel effortless, like everyone's favorite spot to unwind together. Small space, big charm. A petite writing desk made from reclaimed wood becomes your home office anchor, paired with a woven back chair for comfort. Style the desktop with a small vintage-inspired radio for tunes while you work, and a unique sculptural desk clock for personality. Beside it, carve out a reading nook with a slip-covered armchair, a wool throw, and a small side table holding a stack of favorite books. A floor lamp with a linen shade provides soft task lighting. This blended space proves that function and farmhouse charm can absolutely coexist in even the coziest corners of your home. When styling a multifunctional nook, layering personal touches makes all the difference. Add a small potted herb or trailing plant for life and color. Use a woven basket under the desk for cord storage, keeping things tidy yet rustic. Choose a linen or cotton desk organizer instead of plastic for cohesive texture. Hang a small gallery of botanical prints or a vintage map above the desk to inspire creativity. For the reading nook, drape a textured throw over the chair arm and add a ceramic mug holder nearby. These thoughtful layers transform a workspace into a true sanctuary. Now let's talk about today's main feature, your dreamy summer farmhouse bedroom. The goal is soft, breathable, and effortlessly elegant. Start with a wood or upholstered linen headboard as your anchor piece. Choose a color palette of warm whites, oatmeal, and soft grays. This creates that signature soft neutral layered look farmhouse bedrooms are known for. Natural light is key, so keep window treatments light and airy. Think of this room as your personal retreat, a space where simplicity meets comfort, and every layer you add should feel intentional, calming, and inviting after a long summer day. Linen is the star fabric of summer farmhouse styling, and for good reason. It's breathable, naturally textured, and gets softer with every wash. Start with a fitted linen sheet set in warm white or natural flex. Layer a lightweight linen duvet folded at the foot of the bed for that relaxed, lived-in look. Add a waffle weave or cotton gauze blanket for texture variation. Mix in some chunky knit cushions alongside simple linen Euroshams. This layering technique, combining different weights and weaves, is what creates depth and visual interest while keeping the entire palette soft and serene. A common farmhouse styling secret is using texture instead of color to create visual interest. Stick to a tonal palette of ivory, sand, oatmeal, and soft taupe throughout your bedroom. Layer different fabric textures, linen, boucle, cotton, and wool, so the room feels rich rather than flat. A jute or wool area rug grounds the space underfoot. Choose nightstands in natural wood tones to keep things warm. This monochromatic with texture approach is a designer trick that makes any neutral room feel curated and intentional rather than boring or sparse, proving less color can truly mean more style. Selecting the right furniture pieces makes your farmhouse bedroom feel complete. A wood platform or upholstered bed frame works as the foundation. Pair it with nightstands featuring turned wood legs or a vintage-inspired finish. A dresser in a soft painted finish, think antique white or muted sage, adds storage without visual heaviness. If space allows, include a bench at the foot of the bed upholstered in a neutral boucle fabric. Choose furniture with rounded edges and natural materials over sharp modern lines. This softness is essential to achieving that relaxed, romantic farmhouse bedroom feeling we're all after. Accessories are where your bedroom truly comes alive. Style your nightstand with a ceramic lamp featuring a linen shade, a small stack of books, and a sprig of dried lavender or pampas grass in a bud vase. Above the headboard, hang a piece of textured wall art or a woven macrame hanging for organic dimension. A vintage-inspired mirror leaning on the dresser adds light and depth. Drape a linen curtain panel, even on a non-window wall for softness. These small, intentional touches are what elevate a simply furnished room into a beautifully styled farmhouse retreat. Light plays a huge role in farmhouse bedroom ambience. Choose sheer linen curtains that diffuse sunlight into a soft, golden glow throughout the day. Layer a simple wood cornice or curtain rod with a matte black or natural finish for understated elegance. In the evening, swap harsh overhead lighting for a dimmable bedside lamp or a small string of warm fairy lights along the headboard. This layered lighting approach, natural by day and warm by night, is a designer technique that makes any bedroom feel inviting at every hour, and it's surprisingly simple to recreate in your own space. Just off the bedroom, your farmhouse bathroom should feel like a quiet escape. Choose a freestanding or shiplap-paneled shower area with matte black fixtures for contrast against white tile. A vessel-style or farmhouse apron sink, often called a wastafel, adds character paired with a wood vanity base. Open shelving above holds rolled linen towels and a small potted eucalyptus for spa-like freshness. A round mirror with a brass frame softens the black accents. Keep countertops minimal. Just a ceramic soap dish and ribbed glass tumbler. This restraint is what keeps farmhouse bathrooms feeling calm rather than cluttered. Don't overlook your garage, it deserves farmhouse charm too. Paint the exterior to match your home's siding, and choose a carriage-style door with black hardware for instant character. Inside, organize with open wood shelving and labeled woven baskets for tools and gear. A simple pendant light or barn-style sconce above the entry adds function and style. Keep flooring practical with sealed concrete or simple pavers. Even utilitarian spaces benefit from cohesive design choices. When your garage echoes the same materials and tones as your home, the entire property feels intentional and beautifully unified from front to back. Your farmhouse patio is where summer really comes alive. Choose teak or weathered wood furniture paired with cushions in striped or solid linen fabric. A pergola draped with string lights creates ambience for evening gatherings. Add a low wood coffee table styled with a stack of stoneware mugs and a citronella candle in a galvanized holder. Potted olive trees or lavender bushes in terracotta planters bring greenery without high maintenance. A jute outdoor rug ties the seating area together. This relaxed, textural outdoor space becomes a natural extension of your indoor farmhouse style, perfect for long summer evenings. And there you have it, friend. A complete summer farmhouse transformation from the front porch all the way to your dreamy linen-layered bedroom. Remember, this style is all about texture over color, natural materials, and small decorative details that feel collected rather than purchased all at once. Start with just one room, maybe that bedroom, refresh, and build from there. I'd love to know which space inspired you most, so drop a comment below and let's chat. If you enjoyed this journey, give this video a like, subscribe for more cozy inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for your design inspiration.